followers. You need 50 of them to reach affiliate. You need even more to get partner. But the real question is, how do you get them and quickly? Merry Christmas everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Don and I'm a variety streamer on Twitch at twitch.tv/youngstringhopper. Now I started streaming around 6 months ago and I wanted to share my experiences in hopes of helping someone that's starting to stream or even thinking about streaming and guide them on the right path. A common frustration that most streamers face, especially when they're starting out, is that they take time to gain followers. So what I'm going to do in this video is highlight some of the things that help me gain followers, and hopefully you guys can use this to your advantage. Now, like I said in my previous video, networking is important. You don't have to start with 0 followers. Make sure you're part of a community that you like and then that you actually genuinely support. Don't be in there just because you know you can get followers or viewers. Always make sure it's a sincere effort that you're trying to put in and not look for fame. Don't try and be a leech in someone else's community. Another thing that worked for me is playing with viewers. Now, I don't know why more people don't use this sort of strategy, but while I was trying to come up with this video and come up with all the information for this video, I came across Guy Level's video on how he grew, and he grew in a similar fashion as well. For me, Jackbox Party Packs was the go-to game. So when I started, when we built maybe around 10 to 15 people, consistent people that came into my stream, we started a thing called Jackbox Saturdays. So at every Saturday, 7 p.m, they would know to be on my stream and I'd make a game show out of this game. And the main thing is that I didn't play this game every day. So if you play it every day, you kind of lose the charm of Jackbox Saturday, right? I made it a weekly event. So when people who were not in the community came through and saw that, oh, everyone's enjoying themselves, then they type in chat like, oh, hey, can I join in as well? If they have a good experience, then that's a new follower for you and hopefully another viewer. An important part for this strategy to work is make sure it's set on the title that you're playing with viewers, followers, subscribers, whatever your heart desires. And with Twitch's now tag features, they have a playing with viewers tag. Make sure to include that tag. So what that does is it helps people filter out. If they're actually looking to play with a streamer, they'll just click on that tag and it'll filter out every stream that doesn't have the playing with viewers tag. So make sure to tag and include it in your title. So the next one is first time playing. Now this is a good title to have in streams, especially if you're playing an old game that has a mass following like Minecraft, Stardew Valley, or like Outlast, for example. As soon as you say first time playing, people will rush in to either help you or just watch you play. People want to see you go through the emotions that they went through when they started playing this particular game, right? And again, yeah, if you're stuck at some point, they'll chip in and help you with information. So this is a good way to get people actually talking within your chat as well, now that you think about it. Now we spoke about the good stuff, but I also want to allude to the ugly part of Twitch, that is bots. Now you can go on the different websites, you can just simply Google it and just type in follower bots for Twitch. You'll get multiple sites giving you various offers, for example $5 for 100 followers. It's tempting, I'm not gonna lie, but it's also weird. It just looks wrong. Imagine you're watching a person with 10,000 followers, 11,000 followers, right? They seem cool, they seem nice, all good. But the issue is they only have 100 viewers or 200 viewers at every stream. The math doesn't add up. Now there could be instances where they got viral and they just didn't capture on that virality and they didn't use that momentum to push themselves forward. That could be one. Or the second part is that they could have just followed about it and it just looks wrong. Let me know in the comments below if you used a different sort of strategy from what I said and it helped you grow on Twitch. Alright, so now if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, comment, it helps me. And if you want me to cover a specific topic, I'm always here to help. You can find me on Twitch or you can message us in the Discord server. All the links are down below. Happy streaming and Merry Christmas, happy streaming. I hope you all have a wonderful day, night, afternoon, wherever you're from.